This is God's creation, the birds of the air. They don't toil, they don't labor, but God has given everything. The birds of the air. The birds of the air. They don't toil, they don't labor, but God has crowned them with all the beauty. All the beauty on earth. Can you see God's work in these pigeons? Can you see God's work in these pigeons? They don't toil, they don't labor, but they have been crowned with all the beauty. May the name of the Lord be blessed forever and ever. May we praise the name of the Lord forever and ever. May we praise the mighty deeds of our God. Amen.